Disclosure for this one, the Volcano menu is pretty much cold because DoorDash driver, they got the entire place mislocated, went around the neighborhood many times to find my apartment number, went to different apartment complexes. I had actually walked near the pool outside in the 95-degree weather, but this is the return of the volcano, so let's eat this. I do taste some of the spice from the previous one. It tastes pretty decent. And then a couple seconds later, it kicks in the volcano stuff. 7 out of 10.